Ladies, come, let's talk about miscarriage. Miscarriage is the spontaneous loss of pregnancy before 20 weeks. We also call that spontaneous abortion. What do we mean? You didn't do anything to remove that pregnancy. It wasn't intentional. In fact, you wanted to keep your pregnancy, but before you go low, you better just move. And the book said before 20 weeks. But that's something I want to bring to our attention. In our sighting, we don't have the equipment to take care of 24 weeks, that is 6 months babies. Even we put them in the bottle, the chances of them living is slim. So we say from the onset of pregnancy to 24 weeks, which is 6 months, we term it as abortion in our sighting. Preferably, it's good to say miscarriage because the word abortion is harsh. Normally, when people hear about abortion, they feel you yourself went there, you lie down for somebody to take out your pregnancy. What are the causes of miscarriage? 1, chromosomal abnormalities. What do we mean? The thing that can make a baby to come out and be good. The chromosome 23 can come from the man, 23 come from the pa, making it 46 to make one good baby. But when the pa get more than 23, or the man get more than 23, or they get less, the baby will not form well. And once that baby not form well, on its own, it will just spoil and calm down. Another thing is maternal age. Women over 35, they are at risk because of what? Poor air quality. When you over 35, 36 now, the book says your egg now, it can't really be strong. It can't really be like when you were young. So at the end of the day, the baby will just move by itself. Uterine problems, that is problem with the womb. When fibroid in the womb, the one we call growth, it will not give the baby a chance to sit down good. Incompetent cervix, the one we can call weak back. When the cervix is not competent, it will open prematurely. For the cervix to be closed, the mouth of the womb, as soon as the woman gets pregnant, something can close the mouth of the womb. We call it the plug. It can close the mouth of the womb. But because of incompetent cervix, by the time the woman gets pregnant, after some time, the cervix can just open. We call it weak back. That one there, it can cause miscarriage. It gets some women too, who their womb is not in the shape of a normal woman womb. Some people womb, it gets some funny shapes, some structures that can really hold baby. So because of all the warning, it fall under uterine problems, it can cause miscarriage. Infections. There are some strong infections that can make baby to calm down. Like the rubella, like the group B strep. Those infections, it can just make pregnancy to just move there. You understand it? The syphilis, the gonorrhea, the chlamydia, the PID, pelvic inflammatory disease, it can cause miscarriage. Pre-existing medical condition like thyroid disease, like diabetes, like high blood pressure, those conditions can contribute to miscarriage. Hormonal imbalance, the hormone that is responsible to maintain pregnancy, like the progesterone. If you have issue with your progesterone, when it is imbalanced, you are going to have miscarriage. Lifestyle factors, smoking, drinking, substance use during pregnancy, it can increase the risk of miscarriage. Genetic factor, in some family, their pregnancy can stay. If you are having any of these problems, reach out to your doctor, explain your case, and get treated. I love you.